Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I greatly appreciate it. I'd like to start off by first saying welcome to all the new subscribers. I'm so happy to have you. And I do giveaways every month, so all you have to do is be publicly subscribed and comment on every video you watch. All my giveaways are done randomly. I just don't pick a person. I use the wheel of numbers to pick a video that was aired, and then I use wheel of names and have a name drawn. So I'm not picking names. I'm not just saying you're my friend, you're going to win. No, it's all random. I want everybody to have a fair and honest chance at winning a giveaway from me. So first what we're going to do is today's video is the Chic beauty box, which I have. I just received this the other day. I did want to just quickly share. I picked up a set of 6 multi-purpose organizers. These are a little bit smaller than the ones I have. I got these at a store called Ollie's. I've never been there before. 6 of them, they were $9.99. Now these have a rubber bottom and rubber feet. So these are more for, like the picture shows, utensils, so it doesn't move around. Let me see if I can pull one of easily. Yeah, I think I can. So these are the ones that I currently have. Ooh. So these are bigger. The bottom has like the little bumps in it, no rubber. So you can see the difference. I'll pick these up. So they're, these are a tiny bit shorter, but not by much. Right here, I don't know if you guys can see the difference. Not by much. I might need a few more for my drawers, but I want to reorganize my medicine cabinet. And I don't put medicine in my medicine cabinet. I have other stuff in there. So I'd like to use these on the shelves, and then ones I don't use, I'll put in my linen closet with skincare, like things like that. So I wanted to share these. I have not seen any more at Dollar General that size that I want. They have bigger ones, but I don't want the bigger ones. I want that size. I can fit way more in a row, like on a shelf and things like that. So I did find some. So if you have an Ollie's near you, check them out. They're phenomenal. I did get this package from Lurella. I wanted to share everything with you guys. This is the missing palette that came out of May's box. And these were the products in the box. So this is going to be the palette that was... What was the name of the palette? It would help if I knew. Let's Go Girls was the name of the palette. So here it is. Always, sealed. We're just going to have to lay down these patches. I think someone's going to act up again. I'm telling you, she misses her grandmom. Her G-mom. We always referred to G-mom with the pups. I think she's still struggling. But she was with my mom every day. All day. Where Oreo was always with me. So the difference in the sense of loss, I still believe they feel it. She's still struggling a little bit. It's not too bad anymore. A few little accidents here and there, which she never used to have. But, you gotta understand that I am very patient with my dogs. But, after a while, it gets a little bit much. As I'm talking to you, I'm struggling to get this out. Okay. So she's struggling a little bit. So this is what it looks like. And I do believe this is like an all pink, which I will share because I will not use this at all. Yeah, yeah, you won't use that, right? I mean, it's beautiful. I just won't use it. So maybe somebody that can use it will get it, or you can share it with somebody. If you get giveaways and you want to share products, feel free. They are yours to do with what you want. The only thing that I do ask is that you don't resell them or sell them. I have had that issue in the past, and that's kind of frustrating. I can't stop it, but I also will not. The person is no longer subscribed to the channel, thankfully. And I would, if their name was ever drawn again, I wouldn't have allowed them to win again because they're selling, because the stuff I give away is brand new, not touched. So, that is kind of not the whole sentiment behind me doing these giveaways. But we're going to move right into the Chic Beauty box. This does come from Canada, and I did email them about the customs fees that I was paying. If it was being shipped from Niagara Falls, which I'm going to show you it, and they did explain to me that it's like a third-party mailer, so it does say Niagara Falls, New York. I'm hiding my address. Okay. But they sent me like and this is the first month they've ever done like all this extensive tracking that it literally leaves Canada and gets shipped to like probably like a courier service or a shipping service in Niagara Falls. And then is sent to me. But if they're shipping boxes of like all these types of boxes to Niagara Falls, so they're paying shipping from point A, which is Chic Beauty Box, to point B, which is the person or company that's actually shipping these in the States. They're paying shipping. So are we absorbing it? Yes. Should we be charged custom fees? No. I think they should just include that in the cost of the box. I still hold issue with that, but it is what it is. I just don't have the energy to fight with people and companies anymore. So this is the May-June box. They have different variations right here. I don't know if you just get one specific variation, but we're going to keep an eye on that. This box. So the first item, and you do customize this entire box. You pick your product. So I have from Ofra South Beach Bronzer. And this is $35. Now, I do believe I just received this, but I forgot this was a nice one. So I will put it in a giveaway. Just have to be careful. Right here. I know. Say pretty bronzer, huh? I'm trying to look. I think I do have this. Where is it? I might have given my other one away. I think I gave the other one away. Also, it's just... I love Ofra, but I don't need it, so I will put this in a giveaway. And I love sharing products with you guys. From Rimmel London. Is this Rimmel London? No, I didn't get anything from Rimmel. No. See that you can. It's variation 1 and 2, but Ofra's here. This product I have in my hand is a variation 2, so I don't know. Either you get variation 1 or 2, but I guess depending on what you pick, you can't. So this is from CoverGirl. Great, true and tried, been around a long time. Cheekers Blush, $14.42, and this is 106 Burgundy. I'm not going to open this. That's a little too rich for me. I didn't care for any of the other shades. So I'll share that. That's fine. I did have come in a little bubble. I might leave it in the bubble. Just, why not? And then we have... here from L'Oreal, another great brand. This is, let me find it. Is this a lip liner? Lip liner. Color Rich Matte Sharpenable. Oh, that was a tough one. Lip liner, $9.99. So here it is right here. I'm just trying to come close. I'm not going to open that. I have so many shades like that. I'm going to share that and leave it sealed. Next I have, and that was $9.99 if I didn't tell you, I have from Bare Minerals, Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick, $22. That shows the shade. Either that's going to be purple or pink. I'm not sure. What is the word? Wisdom. I have others, so I'm not sure. This is a nice mix of purple and pink, which fine by me. That's pretty. That's a bright pink, but I love it. I love me some pink. Wear it all year round. I don't care what time of year it is, what season. If I want to wear pink lipstick, I do. Bare Minerals is phenomenal. I love that. That's a beautiful color. I do have quite a few Bare Minerals. And then the last one is right here. This kind of makes the box more valuable. I mean, Ofra Bronzer is wonderful. Bare Minerals. The blush is this from Charlotte Tilbury. And this is Pillow Talk, right? Pillow Talk Dreams Luxury Palette. $56. And I would assume maybe they're the shades that are in here. I'm going to open and I don't own any, I don't think any palettes from lipsticks mainly. I might have a powder. I know I have some skincare. Beautiful packaging. I love Charlotte Tilbury. It's just so expensive. Oh, that's beautiful. Perfect for now and summer. Wow, that is so pretty. That is beautiful. 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. Oh, I'm excited for that. I'll give you the shade names. I don't think it's Oh, it is on the back of the package. I can't read them anyway. Beautiful. I'm happy for that. Like I said, I don't have any palettes in there. Great travel size palettes for me. I do have my phone, so let me see if I can give you like a little box total, because this is $34.99. Then we pay. I'm trying to think if we pay any tax. I don't think we pay tax. There is a customs fee, so that, you know, we might pay tax. I have no anymore. I have no idea. So we have Charlotte Tilbury. The Ofra is $35. L'Oreal is $9.99. And then Bare Minerals is $22. Is that 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what was the other one? CoverGirl, $14.42 for the blush. So the total is $137.41 for $35 box. Plus the customs fees is like $1.50. It's under like $1.50. It was like $1.40 something. It was just a weird amount, but they told me some people pay customs fees, some people don't. I'm sorry if, you know, I don't think if it's leaving Niagara Falls, New York and coming in the United States, there should be no customs fee. Now, if it's coming directly from Canada to the U.S., to my address, if the return address on this envelope was Canada, I would expect it because it's coming from out of the country. But the last time I checked, that's the United States, Niagara Falls, New York. And that's where the label gets put on. So there should be no customs fees whatsoever. And I think whatever they're doing there is a bad practice and they need to stop. Because, you know, if each customer gets hit with $1 or $2, I don't know how many subscribers they have to their box, but that's money, you know. Or I get, like I explained in the beginning, I get that if they're shipping it from Canada to a shipper in Niagara Falls, New York, it costs them money to send a bigger box with all this stuff inside or makeup, and then they box it here. I have no idea. Then I understand they have to pay the shipping to get it there, but that's their choice. So if the label is saying New York and it's coming to Pennsylvania, I'm one state away. Niagara Falls is not that far from where I live in Pennsylvania. There should be no customs fees. And they tried to tell me in an email that, you know, it's not up to them what customs fees are charged or not charged. It's the post office that does that. I was like, really? Because the last time I checked, the USPS from New York to Pennsylvania is in the United States. There are no customs fees. So the post office does not assign that. They're doing that. So leaves a bad taste in my mouth. I don't like that. I didn't like their explanation. And when I came back at them and said, the post office is not going to impose customs fees from New York to Pennsylvania, that's wrong. And then it was like crickets. Like, oh, they don't know how to answer that because somebody's coming at them. So they need to watch it, as far as I'm concerned. So that is the box for May and June. A good box. I'm not complaining about the products. All wonderful products. And I'm excited. Like I said, I have plenty of bronzers. I don't need any more, but Ofra is phenomenal. I'm excited for the Bare Minerals. Love it. It is bright, but you can dull it down. Mix your colors. Sometimes it's 2 and 3 lipsticks to make a shade. The blush is nice from CoverGirl, and then L'Oreal, a lip liner. So I'm not complaining at all. Most exciting as far as I'm concerned, and that was that. I'm sure that got them lots of subscribers to get a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk palette. You know, $56 value it pays for the box. And Charlotte Tilbury is very expensive. So let me know your thoughts on the whole customs fees things. And is it just me, or am I thinking something shady's going on there? I mean, I know I'm always skeptical, but I'm street smart and book smart too, to a degree. But I'm very street smart and streetwise. And to me, that just sounds shady. But still a good box. Let me know about that. Let me know about the Lurella product. Like, really, like, it's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, their eyeshadow palettes are wonderful, but we've had so many brights, pink, another pink, and like so many of you have said. So how about we get some a little bit more toned down palettes? And how about your monthly box gets brought up and made as nice as your mystery boxes? So thank you all for watching. Yeah. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now. Yes. Can I help you? Oh, now you're going to be quiet. Yeah, they want to hear you talk. Oh, yeah. My sweet girl, you're dirty. Oh. Okay, you heard her. Bye for now.